Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Sephora favorites, Give Me Some New Lip. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. This is what the packaging looks like. It's this little carry-on little carton. It's made out of cardboard, and when you open it up, this is what the inside does look like. You get 2 full-size products and 3 deluxe size products. The packaging does look a little bit beat up. It's because this was the last one in store and somebody just tore open the packaging just because they wanted to see the inside. None of the lipsticks were used. It's just the carton that looks used. This set does retail for $28. The first lip product that we have inside is the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle. This is her newest product that she has, and this one's in Candy Venom. So here's what that shade does look like. It's this bright fuchsia shade. I did swatch and review this entire collection, so I will link that video down below if you're interested. I love Fenty Beauty and her lipsticks. These are very light, they're airy, and they are comfortable on the lips. It is that pop of color. I do like the other colors in her collection. Next lip product is by treStiQue, and this is a lip balm. So it does come with a cover. I don't really like how this looks. And here is the lip balm. This lip balm is a sheer lip balm, and this is in the shade Barbados Berry. This lip balm does have a tint to it. I don't really like the application at all. It's like one of those EOS lip balms that I don't really like. I don't like how big this is. I can't really maneuver it on the little crevices that I need. This is just a quick swipe, and I couldn't even get down here to the bottom, so I don't like this. The last deluxe lip product in here is by Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Snobby. This is her lip strobe, and it's basically a lip gloss. This is what the shade Snobby does look like. I love this iridescent glow. It's not sticky at all whatsoever. It does feel very comfortable on the lips, which I do really like. We're going to jump into the full-size products. The first full-size product that you do get is by Smashbox, and this is called xoxo. Here's what the shade xoxo is. It's this bronzy metallic shade. It didn't even apply evenly. You can see right here at the top there's a bit of that streakiness, so I don't think I'd reach for this either. Last full-size product is by Marc Jacobs, and this is the new lip crayon. Here we have the shade 310 Night Mauves. It's a pinky shade. I thought this shade would look similar to the one represented on the tube, but it is a bit brighter, and that's something that I don't really like. So this shade is a pass. I did purchase a couple of shades in the new Marc Jacobs Lamarck lip crayon, and that video will be up after this video. I actually was not impressed by any of these shades in this collection. I don't think this is a good value in my opinion. I won't be using any of these shades. Not a lot of these shades complement my skin tone. The lip balm was very hard to use and maneuver on the lips when swatching. The only thing that I really did like was a Huda Beauty in Snobby. Smashbox shades was very patchy when it did glide on my lips. Marc Jacobs, which I currently have on my lips, I'm not a fan of this shade. The only 2 lip products that I would be reaching for in this collection is a Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Snobby and the Fenty Beauty in Candy Venom. This shade I think I would probably wear from time to time, but it wouldn't be like an everyday shade. I mean, the formula is very good. I'm super excited to start the new year with you guys. I do have a couple of New Year's resolutions. You guys let me know what your New Year's resolution is down below in the comments section. This year I plan to make a lot of videos for you guys. I definitely want to grind this year and try to get at least 4 to 5 videos up per week for you guys. So let me know what your resolution is down below. If it's eating healthy, being well, going to the gym, saving up financially, purchasing something huge like a car or a home, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.